Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on your game to Call of Duty. So let's get started right away. Now if you already have the game installed on your device, then go ahead and open it up. And once it is opened up, you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start playing any game you wish. Now if you wish to invite your friend into any game, then go ahead and tap on the kind of game that you want to start first. Now once you have chosen your game, before you can start your match, you will see the plus icon that you can tap on to invite any of your friend. Go ahead and tap on the plus button and now you will see various different friends that are active within the Call of Duty game. If any one of your friend is online, you can simply tap on their profile and then you can tap on send invite, and this friend will immediately receive your invite, and if they tap on the accept button, they will join you within your game. Now if your friends are not within the game, then you can tap on the invite button and then use your messenger, your WhatsApp or other social media accounts to directly send them an invite to the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends onto your game on Call of Duty. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.